Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Put. Today I am here with SSLC 10th Maths continuation of passing package target 40. In my previous video we had completed question number 2. So let us begin with question number 3, which is most repeated question from the chapter real number. Here this question I have asked in 3 ways. Let us see in which way they have asked in the examination this question. If the HCF of, this is, we can read as, if the HCF of 306 657 is 9, find the LCM. Okay, their LCM. Another question, if the LCM of 24 and 36 is 48, find HCF. And the third one question, the LCM of two number is 182 and their HCF is 13. If one number is 26, then find other numbers. This question is one and the same. Here they have asked in 3 different ways. And in upcoming exam, they can ask this question with different numbers. Okay. So how to solve this? The method of solving is exactly same. Let us begin with first question. They have given HCF of, they have given two numbers. Okay, let the given two number is A and B. A is equals to 306 and B is equals to 657. Okay, HCF is 9. I'll write HCF is 9. Okay, find LCM. I'll put question mark LCM. Now we know that, what we know, that HCF into LCM or LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. We know this formula. Okay. Now what they have told to find? LCM they have told to find. So LCM is equals to A into B by HCF. So let us put the value. In a simple way it is, A value we have taken 306 and B value we have taken 657 and HCF they have given as 9. Okay. Let us solve here now. Let us cancel. So 9 table, let us take 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. How much remains? 2 remains. 9 threes are 27. So we got the LCM as, LCM is equals to 306 into 73. We can multiply this in a rough page or rough way. We can multiply and we can find out the value. Here I'll just to solve 306 into 73. Okay, how? 3 6 are 18, 3 zeros are 0, 1 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 7 6 are 42, 7 zeros is 0, 4 as it is, 7 3s are 21. And the answer is 8, 1 plus 2 3, 9 plus 9 10 11 12 13, 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 3 3 8 is our LCM. 2 2 3 3 8 is our LCM. So first question we have solved. Let us see the second question. Same way. What they have given? The LCM of 24 and 36. These are the two numbers. Let us take A as 24 and B as 36. Okay. And what? The LCM is 48. So here LCM is 48. We should find HCF. Okay. We know that LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. Same. Now what we need? HCF we need. So HCF is equal to A into B by LCM, because LCM is in multiply. So if we bring here, it becomes divide. A value is 24, B value is 36 and LCM is 48. So let us solve now. We know it will go in 12 table. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36 and the HCF we got is 9 2s are 18. So we got the answer second. Let us see the third answer. Okay. If the LCM of two number is 182, LCM is 182. Okay. And their HCF is 13. HCF is 13. Got it. If one number is 26, okay, let us take one number as A. A is 26. Find other number. We don't know B. Same way, we know that HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. Now we don't know B, so B is equals to HCF into LCM upon A will come and divide. Okay. B is equals to, we don't know B, right? HCF value 13. LCM value 182 upon A value is 26. Okay. Now 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2. So B is equals to 91. 91 ones are. So the other number is 91. So these are the repeated question from paper. So these are the important question. In my next video, I am coming up with another important question. So do like and share. Thank you.